Hi guys! Today we're going to be working on join as you go. It should be pretty quick and easy. So as you're getting ready to add on the outer row, you don't want to go all the way around. You want to leave two corners open. When I change colors, I like to tie my tails. For me, I'm going to start here and I'm going to work all the way around to right here. I'm going to leave this corner open and this corner open. I've done the border around the edges. I've left the two corners open. Now, to start, we're going to do half of our corner. So that's 3 double crochet. And we're going to add that to the end that we want to attach to. So to attach, we want to work into this corner. We've done our 3 double crochet. Instead of doing a chain 1 to make our corner, we're going to pick up our piece that we're attaching to. We're going to count in the 3 double crochet. You can see them there. And the chain space that's in that. That's what we're working into. So we're going to put our hook through the top, the front of it. We're going to grab our yarn. We're going to pull it through. And then we're just going to pull it right through again. And do a slip stitch. Now we're just going to yarn over and finish our corner with 3 more double crochet. So now we've got the 3 double crochet. We've got the first part of our corner, 3 double crochet. We've got a slip stitch into the corner of the other corner. Then we did 3 more double crochet. And instead of doing another chain 1, we're going to go into the front, grab our yarn, pull it through that spot, and then slip stitch. And we're then going to do 3 more double crochet into the next spot as we would. Okay, now we go to the next one. So you go in, you're going to grab your yarn, pull it through, we yarn over and do 3 double crochet in our next spot as we would. We find our next spot we want to attach to, and that's going to be right here. We go in the front, grab our yarn, pull it through, slip stitch. Now we're at the corner, so we're going to go in and do 3 double crochet to start that corner. It is a little awkward while you're joining them. You get used to it. Okay, so we've done our 3 double crochet. We will find the corner, the center of the corner. So we go into that spot, grab our yarn, pull it through, slip stitch. And we then do 3 more double crochet to finish out that square. 1, again, it's a little awkward. 2, and 3. I have 1 more group to do. So now we will chain 1. We will do our regular 3 double crochet in that next spot. Chain 1. And now we count up 1, 2, 3, and we add on, slip stitch it, slip stitch through, pull our yarn a little, snip, and pull through. And that completes it. And there we have another join. So now we've got, it's hard to see in this, but we've got 4 of them joined all together. Now I'm going to show you how to do the corner join. No matter how you do it, you can join in a row and then start adding on, Or you can join two and then you can join one in the corner and you can build it in more of an organic way. So this one, you instead of just leaving 2 corners, you want to leave 3 corners. Because we're adding it in to 3 corners, you want to leave 3 corners. Okay, so now this is how far we've gone. We've got 1, 2, 3 corners open. Now we're going to attach, and to start, we need to work into this space here. So we're just going to start with 3 double crochet, just like you normally would. We're going to take this corner that we're attaching to. We're going to put our hook right through there. We're going to grab our yarn, pull it through, and slip stitch. That's it. Now we're going to complete our corner, just like we would. That's basically what the joining is. You're just using the chain ones you would normally make. You're making slip stitches into the pieces you're attaching to. So now we'll take our hook. We're going to go into this next space. We're just going to put it right into the front. Grab our yarn, pull it through, slip stitch through that second loop, and we're going to continue working our double crochets as we would to complete the row. There we go. We've got one more. Okay. Now we're going to find our other spot. So we stick our hook in. Make sure we've got the tail separate. We're going to yarn over, pull that through both of them right there, and then we continue on with our 3 double crochet. Okay, so next one, we go in the front, go on, grab the yarn, pull it through, and pull it through. You're just slip stitching, and now we're going to start working into this corner. So just in that chain space, we do 3 double crochet instead of a chain 1. So you're going to just work into that same corner space again. It's a little hard to see, but you've got this corner space right here that we were just working into. You're just going to go in, you're going to put your hook right into that spot. And just as we were before, we grab our yarn and we pull it through. It's a little more awkward now because you've got all this other stuff going on, but you just pull it right through, right to where you are. And you're going to continue with your double crochets in that corner. There we go. So we're going to go into the next open spot. We've connected at the corner, hook in, yarn over, pull it through, slip stitch, and then we just continue on. And we do 3 more double crochet. Into the next one, yarn, hook into that center, grab the yarn, pull it through, slip stitch, and then continue the pattern. Okay, again, next open spot, hook in, yarn over, pull it through, slip stitch, and now we're starting our corner. So we're just going to do 3 double crochet, that's it. Now we're working into this the chain 1 space of our corner. So you hook in, yarn over, pull it through, slip stitch, and then we finish our corner. And that's it. I've got to finish another section because I started mine so that I'd have the 2 tails together. Again, it is a little bit awkward at the beginning. Well, it's a little awkward through the whole thing, I find, but it's definitely worth it. Slide in, grab the yarn, pull it through, and slip stitch. We snip and pull it through. Always tighten just to make sure it's secure. And now we've got our corner added on. So that's it. I've showed you how to add on the edge, and I've showed you how to add on the corners. Now all you have to do is make all your squares and keep adding them on.